Ooh, ghostly. Watch. Hey guys. Hi everybody. Hi, Adam Savage here in my cave. I have a watch fixation, as many of you have noticed. I like wearing a physical watch. I also have an Apple Ultra, which I love. I use it for traveling. And the watch I'm currently wearing is a Seiko automatic diver's 200 millimeter watch, a 200 meter watch. This is a Seiko. Now, my normal day-to-day wear is an Omega Seamaster. And my wife bought me one years ago for a particularly noteworthy contract signing as a gift. And it is, in my opinion, I think of the Omega Seamaster chronograph face with the 3 dials and the orange numbers. Here's a close-up of it. This is the most beautiful watch face ever designed. Seriously, nothing makes me happier than seeing that watch on my wrist. Sadly, my Omegas have been lemony. I have 2 Omegas, and they have both been in the shop 3 or 4 or 5 times each. It's always expensive. It's always a pain in the ass. But this isn't a video for me to bellyache about Omega. I love the Seikos because they are absolutely bulletproof. They are workhorses. They're automatics. They're super reliable. And I love reliability. And recently I was like, hey, I wonder, Seikos are actually so bulletproof and so beloved that there is a humongous culture of taking Seiko watch parts and making new watches out of them. It's called Seiko modding, and it is just a fantastically deep hobby with some really, really cool stuff going on. It's not just taking old parts of watches and putting them together and cobbling new watches out of it. There are also people custom making watch faces all over the world in different places, making watch parts. Some people sell hands, some people sell faces, some people sell, knobs and other things. It's a really, really cool maker community of taking Seiko watches and making them sing. And I really dig this hobby. I have not gotten into Seiko modding, and this is not a video of me doing any Seiko modding. I'm just crowing about the fact that I purchased a beautiful, this is a Seiko mod of an Omega Seamaster. So this is kind of what they do. You can see there's not like a real logo on there. It just says automatic chronometer. This is probably a custom face. I picked this up on eBay for it really doesn't cost much more than an actual Seiko. That's the thing that's so cool about it. And I like this design. I think I'm going to try wearing this for a while. Oh, and they've done a clear back. They've done a visible back for the automatic movement. It's lovely. So I thought I would just make the band the right size for me and show you how I do that. This isn't wristwatch revival. I am no Marshall. But I thought it might be nice just to do a little watch repair. Look, this came in the mail. I realized I had to make the band shorter, and I thought, why not film it? All right. I'm going to give you a better view. All right. I'm going to take off my other watch. This has a lovely band. And it's just a little too large. You can see that it is quite large. So I want to take out that slack. I can almost take this off without opening it. Okay, so yeah, it goes like that. So I'm going to use this tool. This is a tool specifically for driving the pins out that link together a bracelet. This one, I haven't found like a really beautiful one of these. I know, I agree with you. I should make one. I haven't found a really beautiful one of these, but this is a pretty nice one. It's got this little stage that raises and lowers so you can adjust the level. The thing is that you often want to go a little bit from both sides on this kind of thing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out one link from each side, and I'm going to see how that worked. And we can raise this up. Great, that's nice. That makes it a little more civilized. And you just get that pin started. There it is. It's now a little bit proud. And you can pop it out on a pair of needle nose. There goes one. And we're going to do the other. One. And now we're going to do this guy. And I don't have to do them separately. I can just do one and then the other. There we go. So now pull out another piece. Now I'm going to just test fit these back. And try it. Not enough. Not enough. Two more. Two more, cried. So, I don't know what these pins that hold the bracelet together are called, but they are almost always, well, they actually, every time I've encountered them, they are actually they're actually like a flat wire that's been bent, and there's a side that has the bend, and then there's a side that has the ends, and you always want to push against the ends so that the thing that comes out of the bracelet is the bend. That's my understanding. I can't remember if, oh no, I haven't yet. Yeah, they're interesting from a mechanical standpoint. They're kind of, yeah, I find them interesting. Okay, so, right, this goes like that. No, I'm totally wrong. You want to push against the bend so that the ends come out. And you'll be able to see when you look at the edge. I'm sorry, you're probably yelling at the screen. When you look at the little edge of the numbers, I will show you the difference. Here you go. I'm actually going to do that in B-roll. Now, here is the pin, and this is what I mean when I say it has an open end and a bend. See that? It's bent there, and it's open there, and you always want to push against the bend. And here's what they look like on the side of the watch. That's the open side. See how it looks like a screw? It's not a screw. It's actually that. It's the open end of a bent bar. There you go. So you want to push against that side. And in this one, it's handily recessed and it looks quite different. It's not always the case, but that's how it works. 4 links removed. Let's see how we did. Yeah, about 1 finger. That's great. I like that. Okay, then we're going to secure these in, which is really just like closing your needle nose pliers and giving a little oink. Come on. Oh, it wasn't that bad. Good enough. There we go. That is my Seiko. Oh, right. Yeah, look, here is the beautiful back. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to keep all of this stuff. I'm going to put it in a little baggie and call it my Seiko Omega. The Seiko and the Omega. Oh, right. Let's set the time. Wow. It's not far off. It's only half an hour. It's only about 40 minutes ahead. Oh. All right. Now I'm going to undo this. And it is exactly 9:54 in the morning. Seiko Omega Mod bracelet bits. And I have some other bracelet bits up in one of my watch drawers. I'm going to put this back and... oh, right, you want some B-roll. Look at that pretty thing. Oh, she's lovely. Yeah. Yeah, let's get some B-roll. Thank you so much for watching that video. Your support allows us to make more of this great content. If you'd like to help us on a deeper level even, head over to tested-store.com because we've got stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Our anime-inspired Tested logo in Japanese. Follow the process, not the plan. It's not a process. It's not a problem to solve. It's a process to manage. Other aphorisms that have come from my mouth. And we have just made a full set of our demerit badges in sticker form. So you can cover your toolbox with all of your screw-ups and celebrate it with other makers. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.